Today we are going to talk about level in surfing. Yeah? So basically, when you talk about level, for example, like beginner level, intermediate level, or competitive level, advanced level, the main reason is not to tell you who has the privilege or anything. Okay? I would say that the main reason is when they want to talk about skill. And those people who know that they belong to the level can differentiate which skills is suitable for them, to proceed on or to train on the current situation. Okay, for example, like pop-up timing. Pop-up timing is very different if you're a beginner level, intermediate level, or a competitive level. Okay, so basically, it's just an overview and it's just an example. Yeah? So basically, it's just for your reference. Okay, beginner level. Beginner level is for ASI is those people who surf on the foam which go mainly forward. Okay, there's no left right because the foam could be wide. Maybe there's a little bit left right. Okay, because the foam sometimes can turn to the green as well. Okay, so it's very limited. From beginner, when you turn to intermediate, means that now you know how to catch a wave, go to the green. That is the beginnings of an intermediate. Once you can get to the green, yes, then we talk about a lot of intermediate skill. When you're still at the beginner level, means the foam, you're still struggling with the basic paddling, the balancing, everything. When you reach the green, that's why they call it intermediate level, because the timing pop up, the angle of the wave, the maneuver that you can do on the wall is very different from the beginner level. So here, a lot of things that you heard when you are doing the beginner levels or lesson will be very different when you go to an intermediate level. So we can't mix them up. Okay? And then an intermediate level is very wide. Okay, it can be certain people who can really do barrel already, do all the turnings, all the roundhouse cutback perfectly, with all the splash of water. Okay. But also there's intermediate, they just enter to the green and maybe just first year to get to know to the wall of the wave. But all the skill they actually can try to do once they get to the green wall. Now after that we go to advanced surfer or competitive surfer. Another totally different kind of scope. For example, competitive surfer, they will talk about strategy, they will talk about how to execute skill perfectly in a set timing. Okay, if you're not a competitive surfer, you have all day. If you're a competitive surfer, you have 15 minutes to do, and then you have competitors as well. Okay, and an advanced surfer, for me, is those people who are taking the challenge. Okay, and then it involves certain risks already, and only their level to challenge. So that is advanced. So the mindset is totally different from a beginner surfer and an intermediate surfer, and also to a competitive surfer. So that is the main reason we want to differentiate all these levels. Okay, so I hope that I give a good overview. Thank you very much.